Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Madam Vice President. Thank you very much for taking out time to join us. Surveys were spread out to about 196 countries around the world, as you can see from this form responses page. If you look at the data page, you'll be able to see the data we worked with collected from the form responses in the other tab. In the first place, the data we sought was something to demystify why we had a lot of expectations not met. First of these, if you look at this dashboard, we take a look at each country and how they fared. Nigeria, to begin with. If you can look at Nigeria, the total average spend per week is $41,000. Also, if you look at the range of respondents, the age range of respondents, you find out that we had the highest level of respondents at 15 people responding at the age of 30 to 35. We also had a good number of respondents from Nigeria responding that our products were good, and we had the count at 14 to 7, which said our products were fair, and only one person out of 22 respondents complained that our products were actually bad. If we look at the best departments in terms of relationships, we can see that we had over 40%, just over 40%, that chose the customer service department as the department that is standing out. Okay, we also look at operations. The operations department also stands out. The most concerning in these statistics is the sales department, who have a 9.1% approval rate from the customers. So this clearly shows us that department needs an upgrade in terms of training or retraining, or in terms of a capacity building and bringing them up to speed with requirements to meet the customer's needs at this time, in this day and age. Now, looking briefly at the summary of what we have for you at this time, if you look at Rwanda has only one respondent, and the one respondent said he has a total weekly transaction of 8,500 per week. Nigeria has about $141,500. Okay, looking at Mexico. Mexico has a total average spend of $21,000, which also is an increase of about 10% from the year previous. That is all I have for this segment. I am grateful for your time. Thank you very much, and have a great day.